Hedgers and speculators. Hello everyone. In our last video, we briefly touched upon futures trading and the various aspects it comprises of. In this video, we shall learn more about the participants of futures trading. Primarily, there are two types of participants involved in futures trading: hedgers and speculators. Hedgers try to avoid risk to protect themselves against price fluctuations. For example, you are holding shares of XYZ Limited. Current price of the share is Rs 205. Due to some changes in government policies announced recently, you expect the share prices to fall. With futures trading, you can enter into a contract to sell the shares at Rs 200. This kind of contract is called a short sale. If the prices drop as per your anticipation to, let's say, Rs 185, you stand to make a profit, as you will be selling at a higher contract price of Rs 200. An increase in price will incur loss, as you will have to sell at a lower contract price. Speculators take risk and make profits from the price fluctuations. For example, shares of XYZ Limited are traded at Rs 205. Due to a ban on imports from China, the company stands to make a gain. You expect the share price to move up to Rs 230 or more. With futures trading, you can enter into a contract to buy the shares at Rs 210 on a future date fixed in the contract. This is called a long contract. Price level on the date of expiry of contract determines your profit or loss. Assuming the price has moved up as per your prediction to Rs 235, you stand to make a gain. You will be buying the stock at a much lower contract price of Rs 210 as compared to the higher spot price. A decrease in price will incur loss, as you will have to buy at a higher contract price. So to summarize, futures contract is a derivative contract between two parties with an obligation to abide by the contract on a predetermined date and price. The settlements in futures trading are done through square-off. There are two types of participants involved in futures trading: hedgers and speculators. Hedgers try to avoid risk to protect themselves against price fluctuations, whereas speculators take risk and make profits from the price fluctuations. A contract to sell shares at contract price is called short sale. A contract to buy shares at contract price is called long contract. We hope you now have more clarity on the participants operating in the market. If you liked our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more such videos, visit our website www.edelweiss.in.